Best security camera. Security cameras, vital components of modern surveillance systems, are designed to monitor and record activities in specific areas to enhance security. Employed in various settings, from homes and businesses to public spaces, these devices deter potential threats and aid in investigations. Equipped with advanced features like high-resolution imaging, night vision, and motion detection, security cameras provide real-time monitoring and archival footage. Integration with smart technologies enables remote access and alerts. The widespread use of security cameras contributes to crime prevention, employee productivity, and overall safety, making them indispensable tools for comprehensive security strategies in today's interconnected world. Number 1. Ring Stickup Cam Battery. The Ring Stickup Cam Battery is a cutting-edge security camera that can be mounted inside or out. You can see, hear, and speak to people from your phone, tablet, or select Echo device with the Ring Stickup Cam. Watch over your entire home by connecting and controlling with multiple Stickup cams from the Ring app. Easily set up and versatile mounting options by inserting the battery pack and connecting to Wi-Fi. With features like live view, color night vision, and two-way talk, users can monitor their surroundings with clarity, day or night, and engage in real-time communication. Number 2. Blink Mini Smart Security Camera. The Blink Mini is a compact smart security camera designed for convenience and effectiveness. Delivering crisp 1080p HD video with night vision and motion detection, it provides round-the-clock monitoring and interactive communication. With Blink Mini's live view and two-way audio capabilities, see, hear, and speak with the visitors from inside the home. By using the Blink app, you can get alerts on your smartphone whenever motion is detected, and can check what matters in live from anywhere. With seamless integration with Alexa, users can effortlessly control and monitor their space. The Blink Mini exemplifies a user-friendly, feature-rich smart security solution, offering a balance of performance and simplicity in safeguarding homes and spaces. Number 3. TPLlink Tapo C200 Security Camera. The TPLlink Tapo C200 pan/tilt security camera works as an IP camera, can be integrated into your existing NVR and NAS monitoring system. Boasting advanced features like motion detection, 1080p resolution, two-way audio, cloud and SD card storage, and night vision, it ensures comprehensive surveillance and interaction. Capture every detail inside your home with crystal-clear 1080p Full HD video. Receive real-time alerts and view live footage anytime from anywhere with HD quality and 30 feet of night vision. You can control your home with the Tapo app by connecting the TP-Link security camera with your smartphone. Never truly leave home with the built-in two-way audio and live view. The pan/tilt functionality allows users to remotely adjust the camera's view, complete visibility of your space with 360-degree horizontal and 114-degree vertical viewing angle. Number 5. Wyze Campan V3 Indoor/Outdoor Camera. The Wyze Campan V3 Indoor/Outdoor Security Camera is IP65 weather resistance, offering a 1080p HD footage in rain, snow, or shine. With spin 360-degree left or right and tilt 180-degree straight up or down, and zoom capabilities, can live stream any part from anywhere and control remotely by using the Wyze app. Equipped with automatically motion tracking and records motion, it effortlessly follows movement. With color night vision and two-way audio facilitates, you can listen and respond when you are away from home. 24 hours continuous recording up to 30 days with a 32 GB Wyze microSD card. This Wi-Fi smart home security camera combines affordability with cutting-edge technology, delivering a reliable solution for safeguarding your home. Number 6. Loveu 4MP Bulb Security Camera. The Loveu 4MP bulb security camera offers comprehensive surveillance with its motion detection and tracking up to 360 degrees 2K panoramic view, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This device can operate on a 2.4 GHz frequency Wi-Fi from 328 feet coverage area. These wireless cameras provide full-color day and night monitoring, ensuring clear visuals at all times. With AI human detection filter and an audible alarm feature, it enhances security by alerting users to potential threats. The camera's easy and quick installation process and compatibility with Alexa add convenience to its functionality. The light bulb camera can support 4MP HD and 12 times digital zoom, ensuring ultra-clear details during the day and night. This camera is compatible with multiple devices, can support up to 20 users at the same time, so you can share the camera with your family and friends. This bulb security camera combines with waterproof construction, continuous recording, two-way audio, 128 GB SD card support, and 30 days AWS cloud for a reliable and user-friendly home security solution. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.